Hey guys, Vadim here, the founder of PPC Jumpstart. Do your creatives look like it's still July outside, even though it's November and it's getting colder, depending where you are? In this video, I will show you guys how to update your creatives and get better click-through rate conversion on Amazon when you're advertising. So me and my team, we help brands with advertising, but we don't shy away from putting creatives, specifically Christmas-focused creatives that are guaranteed to improve conversion. To show you guys a few examples of our work, we have a client selling yoga pants here. So naturally, these products will decline in winter, because it's a colder season, but we have this Christmas decorative font here, so it's very, very Christmas oriented theme. We have other client here that's selling Coach coasters. So that's for your favorite drinks. So it's nice to have them, and the results, they're really good so far. We just launched these creatives. As you can see, that's one of the creatives, $4 in spend, so that probably won't tell you much. But check this out, $5 spent on SB Creative, $53 in sales at 11% ACOS. And this is the exact creative I was talking to you about, guys. This is one of these creatives that's Christmas. So just wait for this to load. So here are the creatives that I'd recommend you launch, Christmas-oriented creatives. And the results from this, they're really good. We have a much higher conversion rate on these creatives, 9 orders out of 78 clicks, so it looks very promising. And like I showed you, this other creative at 11% ACOS. We did launch them on purpose way before Christmas because people are already in that mode. It's coming, even though it's November 21 here. Christmas is still a month away, but it's important to get ahead of other people, launching the same creatives. What I did want to talk to you about as well, and I noticed this competitor is doing it really well and they're killing it on Amazon, is not just updating your creatives, but we also look at updating your own listing. So this could include like ribbons showing it's a giftable item. All of these images, they're Christmas oriented. So Christmas, I would say every single one of them. It does look very AI, so you have to be careful like what tools you're using are either Gemini or ChatGPT. So again, I really recommend you guys update your creatives. And me and my team at PPC Jumpstart, we don't just manage the ads, we can also help you with the creatives. We can do the A+ content for you. The creatives that I shared for sponsored brand ads and so on. And this is some of the creatives that I mentioned. So again, if your creatives still look like it's July, it's time to update them, and it's really going to help you out in this season.